So Apple just announced the new iPhone SE releasing on the 24th of this month, and it's coming with some amazing features which we will be discussing in this video. But before we start the video guys, please take a moment and make sure to subscribe the channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. And most importantly, do let me know if you have ever used an iPhone SE before down below in the comments section. First of all, let's discuss some things about the history of iPhone SE. So the first iPhone SE was released back in 2016 and it received positive review from all over the world because of its small size and powerful internal specifications that were used. And same is the case with iPhone SE 2020. It has the body of an iPhone 8 with a display size of 4.7 inches and specifications of an iPhone 11. It is powered by the Apple A13 Bionic chipset and runs on the iOS 13 operating system. So we will be getting two different variants of the iPhone SE. Price of the 128GB variant is $450 while the price of 64GB variant is $400, and both the variants will have 3GB RAM. Talking about the camera, we have a single 12 megapixel lens at the back along with the flashlight, and at the front we have a 7 megapixel front camera. And the battery capacity of iPhone SE is 1821 mAh with 18 watt fast charging and wireless charging option. So that's it for this video guys, and if you guys like the video then please make sure to subscribe the channel and smash that like button. Also let me know about your thoughts on this device down below in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.